May 300 pa.
Ito na, si Alma na isunod mo dyan sa ilalim. Si Alma na lang ilagay mo dyan.
Yung puma mo. Ma'am, nakablo na yan mo.
7. Ma'am, sino po yung driver niyo po? Sabi ko lang sa'yo.
Investment to eh.
We're going to mangrove.
How much was it?
350.
350.
Yeah. Dito lang pala siya. Hindi ba kami mababasa?
Hindi, ma'am. Walang halon po.
Ma'am, sir. Picture pa before you get it.
Yung po ay Bakawan.
Ah, yes.
So both side of this river, those trees are mangrove trees or Bakawan, the local name. So if you have questions po regarding mangrove, you are welcome po. I will answer if I can. But if you cannot answer it, please find it in the Google. And I thank you. Man People Grove Forest. Mangrove People Forest because the trees look like human that's walking. That's why mangrove is people forest. And the mangrove trees is the kind of the trees that can grow in the brackish water and also purely salt water and tropical country. So, so yun po, not only in the Philippines that there's a mangrove, even in Florida and Australia and Bangladesh and Vietnam, India, Malaysia, Colombia, Thailand, we have also mangrove. But in the Philippines, we have 32 to 40 species of mangrove. In this area, we have 8, but only 4 species of mangrove along the river that you can see. Because other species of the mangrove, they grow inside. Their species are male, female, kabige, and busain. Then you can easy to distinguish through their leaves, bark, and also through their root formation. So the female mangrove, please look on our right side. The leaves more wide and bigger. Female mangrove or babaeng Bakawan local name, Rhizophora mucronata, the scientific name of female. And this is male mangrove that the leaves small and pointed at the tip. Male mangrove or lalaking Bakawan local name, Rhizophora apiculata, the scientific name of male mangrove. But we call it only male and female mangrove po for identification kasi mga self-germinated tree yan, walang cross-pollination. Parehas po yung namumulaklak at namumunga. So all the mangrove po, they bear fruits, but all the fruit of mangrove is not edible for human po, just for the wildlife animals like monkey. So sometimes you can see monkey here kasi this mangrove forest po is the natural habitat of a different wildlife animals.
So there is a monkey. Meron siya mga ano dito.
Like monkey, snake, water monitor, lizard, squirrel, pangolin, sea otter, at mga ibon. Iba't ibang species po ng mga bird.
May sea otter?
Yes, ma'am. There's a sea otter. But the best time for the sea otter kasi ma'am is early morning po. Like mga 6 in the morning po or late afternoon. Opo. Tiger, helmina, parrot, little heron, sunbirds and piper. And there's also endemic bird po dito, yung Palawan hornbill. But actually the best time for the bird watching po kasi is early morning. Kasi yung mga ibon halos tulog magdamag, so they will wake up early to hunt their food. First 2 kilometers and this is 30 minutes back and forth. And the deep of this river, 5 to 7 feet or 2.1 meters. Now low tide po. So the deepest part na po yung 2.1 meters po. Low tide kasi ngayon. But when high tide, almost 1 more meter up the level of the water, that black line or the black mark in the roots of that mangrove po, that is the water level when high tide. So when high tide po, it's all the way inside covered by the water. This mangrove forest around 47.55 hectares. Puro po yung mga bakawan. Kaya ngayon ay nasa loob tayo ng mangrove forest. Kasi this is part of National Park po eh. So the total size of the National Park ay nasa 22,202 hectares. Included rainforest po. So the other side, that is the rainforest po.
Wala bang buwaya dito?
Wala po, ma'am. Actually, the Sabang Mangrove Paddle Boat was organized last December for year 2000. Then, the crocodile expert po, nagkanak sila ng survey sa crocodile here. Then, according to the crocodile expert po, no crocodile. Kasi yung ilog is hindi siya ganun kalawak at kalalim at puro ugat po sa magkabilaan ng ilog. Ang crocodile po kasi ay nabibilang po yun sa cold-blooded animals. Umaahon po yun para magpaaraw. Pero dito, hindi po makakaahon para makapaaraw dahil possible po na may ipit or matatrap dyan po sa ugat ng bakpuan. Kaya no crocodile po. There's a crocodile in the crocodile farm. Part po ng city tour yun. But if you want to see a wild crocodile, out in part of Palawan Shore, in Balabac Island. There are salt and clear water crocodile po. So doon po talaga maraming buhaya. While namamangka ka na, sa gilid lang po yung mga buhaya. Dito? Oh, there's a snake po. Oh.
Where?
Ay,
Ay! Saan? Ay, oo, snake. Ay, let me check.
Ayan o. Camera. Picture.
Ayan.
Ito naman
The snake.
dito, that is the mangrove snake.
The striped snake.
Huega dendropica
Nakatingin sa'yo.
po, ang scientific name. Venturas po local name yan. No-poison po yan pero mildly venomous po. Hindi lang aggressive kasi nocturnal na ahas. So, tulog lang po yun sa araw, gising sa gabi.
Takot ako. Takot ka sa ahas.
Ating kaibigan at mahal, makaway paramihin, tayo ay magtanim sa itlog ang isda, una ng pagkain, huwag itong putulin, bagkus ay mahalin, isda't alimango ay dito nang galing. Tamilok na masarap, uy, hipon na mailap, uy, kalagang malasa,
Uy!
at lokal na iyak,
Uy!
ating pagkamanin,
Uy!
yamang dagat
yan.
Uy!
nung kamahirap, sa bakawan galing.
Uy!
Tamilok na special test,
Uy!
doctors now are the best.
Uy!
Crab no?
Oysters are delicious.
Uy!
All of them nutritious.
Uy!
We must love and caring all our living things.
Uy!
The birds are lively and the doors are mangrove.
Uy!
Thank you, my friends. You are always welcome in Mangrove again. Thank you so much po. Yeah.